Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix set as default printer error solved. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version. Right-click Windows key, permission. Click Add. Click Advanced. Type Find Now. Select Everyone. Click OK. Check Full Control and Red, Apply, OK. Close and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.